Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 8.3.1 on the 3 triad. In the previous unit, we looked at 1, 4, 5, 2, and 6. Then we just looked at 7 because it was a diminished chord, so why have we been ignoring 3? In major, it's a minor triad of 3, 5, 7. And in minor, it's a major triad, 3, 5, 5. So the main reason that it's an uncomfy chord is because you have 3, 5, 7 working in major, which is pretty close to 1, but it's also pretty close to 5. So it's this uncomfy, like, is it tonic, is it dominant, doesn't really fit well in either place in our basic phrase model. Places you do see it will be in sequences, which will be in the next section, and sometimes you'll see it replacing 1, 6. So here's a progression that we might see where it starts on 1, goes to 1, 6, and then there's a passing tone down to 4. So you can make that passing tone its own chord. And the place that I most know this kind of progression is the song Puff the Magic Dragon. Puff the Magic Dragon, lived by the sea. So that's a place where you'll find it. It's also more common in minor, since the flat 3 chord is the relative major. So here we're in D minor, flat 3 would be F major. Oh look, it's a key signature for F major. So if you go flat 3, flat 6, flat 7, flat 3, that's, if you think in F major, that's 1, 4, 5, 1. So that's why it's more common to see in minor. So here's a tune, Wayfaring Stranger, which is kind of in minor, really more Aeolian because that's a flat 7, natural 7, 5. Minor 1, minor 4, back to minor 1. There's our flat 3 chord, going to flat 6, to 4. And that's where it's more Aeolian because that's the minor 5. If we raised Flev to Sev, this last couple bars would be much more a traditional minor sound, but that's not how the tune goes. So here we've been going from minor 1 to minor 4, back to minor 1. Here we go from, if we think about this in F major, we go from major 1 to major 4. So it's the same sort of thing in the relative major. And then we resolve back in minor, or Aeolian. So that's what's going on here. There's your 3 chord. Take care. See you next time.